Welcome back to my YouTube channel and my workshop. You probably didn't watch the last few videos. I'm building the sink base for the farmhouse style sink.
Handyman, that's not a farmhouse style sink. That is called an apron sink. You need to know the difference.
Okay. You call it what you want. I'm going to call it what I want. I need to pick up the pace and I'm going to build the face frames for a whole section of a wall. There's a whole nother section of the wall that it's still in its design phase, but I need to get a certain group of cabinets built, the old ones taken off and the new ones put up, because they're living out of the house and they still need to use it. So I'm going to get all the new cabinets up on the wall so they can put their dishes and their food in it while I'm still working. I'm building a whole bunch of face frames. These are all my, what do you call these? The ones that go across? Rails, that's right, they're called the rails. You gotta use the proper names of everything on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is visually inspect everyone, look for straightness. I mean, these are really nice boards. But I'm gonna drill my pocket holes, and I want my pocket holes on the inside, or the side that's never gonna be seen, and I want the nicest side out. That's the side that's going to get painted. This one's got a little dent on it. That'll go on the inside. And the top. That's another one. I can probably sand that out. But that's important that this goes on the top and not the bottom. Because you're never going to see the top. The whole top's getting covered up with crown molding. Time to drill all my pocket holes. I'm going to put links in the description to all the gadgetry that I have to create this little setup here. Now the only thing that's missing is I don't have an overhang on my countertop here, the workbench top. So I can't really clamp this to the top. Next time, once this gets worn out and I put a new top on it, I'm going to overhang it probably 1 3/4 inches on either side, so I can easily clamp it down. But I don't think it's going to be a problem. I've done this with just this blue thing and without this setup here. any of you who have used this jig without the vacuum attachment knows that it creates a ton of sawdust. But I just wanted to show you what I've got here. I did, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8, a lot. I did a decent amount of holes. You watched me do all of them. And this is all I got. Just a few. Nothing really even on the floor. Vacuum attachment is worth it. Not sure how long it's going to hold up. There's these little detent clips on the side here that hold it in. But for now, it was definitely worth the purchase. This is what it looks like without any sanding or filling, and it came out pretty good. Yeah, it came out real darn good. Well, this is the first wall of cabinets. Let's see if I can get this set up here so you can kind of get an idea. Not sure how far that is. We got a 14, a 30 and a half, like a 36, 32 and a half, and then a 16. Then over here we've got a drop in the ceiling, and there will be cabinets over here. We're just not sure how that's going to work out. There is going to be a gas range or gas cooktop that also needs a vent. What are those things called? Vent hood. And still figuring out the placement and how it's going to work around the window. So for the first phase, these are the upper cabinets here. Well, I just wanted to answer a question or two that may come up in the comments. The top rung here, I don't know if I said it or not. Oh, it's a rail. Can't call it anything else but a rail. So it's extra wide for a nailing surface on the top here for a crown that goes up towards the ceiling. These are got to be the easiest part of building cabinets. The next phase is to build a box, the actual cabinet that goes inside it. So the next video in this series, I'm trying to sprinkle in some other home improvement, home repair type videos just to keep the audience, engaged, because they're not really here to watch me build cabinets. Thanks for watching. Share the video, give it a like, and always leave a comment. I read every single one. Sometimes it's very, very hard to keep reading them, but I still read them. And if you leave a question, I'll answer it.